My name's Jonathan with Nomadic Cooling, and this is the unboxing of the Dometic CFX3 25. This is the smallest of the CFX3 lineup. Let's get into it, Kenny. Are you ready? You don't seem like you're excited or ready to go, Kenny. But let's do our unboxing. Let's go. Let's open this up, Kenny. Now, you know I can't read and I don't remember anything, so I brought a cheat sheet over here as I do my unboxing. Okay, we got a cardboard. Well, it looks like it came with more cardboard, Kenny. Kenny, if you need cardboard, go further. I can tell you, Kenny, if I was taller, this would be easier. From now on, I need a step. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. It's a good thing How to gracefully unbox your CFX3 25, brought to you by Jonathan from Nomadic Cooling. Let's get into it. Okay, I want to get into the Dometic lineup of CFX boxes. As you can tell, behind me, I have a few in stock and they're ready to rock. But it's important that you know what these sizes are good for. I'm starting these video series with the smallest version, the 25, because this one will fit perfectly in between your front seats in a Sprinter van, a Ford Transit. Okay, what comes inside? Silica gel? All right, well, thank you. Got another silica gel. We've got a bag of goodies here, Kenny. I've got a power cable for 110. And I've also got a cigarette lighter plug for the 12 volt. You got to see we got DC input here and we've got AC input here. Can you put both in at the same time? All right, so I've got DC in right there. Wow, you got to be really strong to... Okay, you got to have muscles. Okay, don't worry, Kenny. I brought my muscles from Brussels here, okay? I got my 112, my 120, got my 12 volt. Okay, I got that plugged in. So now I'm plugged in. Now, Kenny, right now I'm locked and loaded. I could go either way. I could go 12 volt or I could go 120. You just never know. Sometimes you got to go this way. Sometimes you're going to go that way. It sort of depends on the evening, Kenny. So we are plugged in. We are going to reduce the temperature, set temp, all the way down. Oh, there you go. Did you hear that, Kenny? She just turned on. Let's do this. Did you notice it empties, it opens this way? All right, what else do we got? We got this little guy in here too, Kenny. This allows us to, well, I don't know what it does. Well, you could probably put things in here and then go, oh, there's my ice cream at the bottom. You can put your fruits up here. I mean, that's probably what that's for. It's two separate compartments. Kenny, I'm gonna flip this forward so that you can see it in this camera right over here. You can see the inside. There's a little light in there. So if you want to see some of your Teduscis, you can see them. Well, don't tip it over. It doesn't like that. So I'll put it back down. I'm also going to tell you that it has a total volume, Kenny, of 25. It fits 40 cans or 5 1.5 liter bottles. It has an app that allows temperature controlled via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and provides performance history. It has a heavy duty, lightweight, exo frame construction with fender frame protected edges and aluminum alloy handles. It has dynamic battery protection. System prevents dead vehicle batteries or allows deep draw on dual batteries. Well, that's impressive. I didn't know it did that. It has a powerful VMS03 compressor. Cooling technology efficiently cools between plus 68 degrees Fahrenheit and minus 7.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a robust, lightweight, and compact design, ensures convenient portability. It has an easy to read, high resolution color display and a soft touch buttons for easy control and monitoring. Well, that's pretty fantastic right there. It comes with one cooler, one manual, one connection cable for 12 volt, one connection cable for 120 volt, and it has a single or dual zone. No, this one's only single, Kenny. Frequently asked questions. Well, those are kind of boring, guys. So if you guys want to read the frequently asked questions on Dometic's website, please go to dometic.com. Please type in CFX3/25L and take a gander at what they have online to store for frequently asked questions. Kenny, did I say that there's more? I did. Kenny, I got some props. question is, Kenny, how many liquid deaths fit in this refrigerator? Do you know the answer, Kenny? Angel, what do you think? 12. Well, let's find out. Everybody wants to know exactly how many liquid deaths. Okay, if you guys haven't had liquid death yet, you're missing out. Somebody figured out to put tap water in a can instead of in a bottle. Okay, it's pretty dope. Okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 in there so far. Okay, Kenny, how's that? Can I see the liquid death right there? Zoom in on the liquid of the deaths. Okay, it says it's mountain water, drinking water from the Alps. Well, I gotta be quite honest, it's not great water. It doesn't taste like great water, but it is in cool packaging. So I'm gonna commend them on that. I'm also gonna commend them on the fact that it's not a water bottle, okay? It may be a good time to tell you that Dometic also sells metal water bottles, reusable. Kenny, did anybody count these as we were going in? Can you put a counter up? Because as you know, I have a little brain and forgot to count. Okay, but we're still going here, Kenny. All right, I can fit more in here though too. Okay. Well, that one's broken, so let's see. Okay, I think maybe I could fit 2 more in here, but I'm not sure. Now you may say I have a full water over there and I just opened another full water, but Kenny, to be quite honest with you, I'm exhausted, okay? Oh, the measurements, yeah. We have 20 by 13, 17. The odd thing about this, Kenny, is how well these things are actually made. I mean, I know in the description they use all this hubba bubba language from the marketing department, but when you feel this thing, I mean, it's full of cans right now. And these handles are stout. Like, these things aren't breaking. Handle, super robust. Temperature controls, easy to use. Guys, quiet? Do you hear it, Kenny? You don't hear it? You said you just nodded like you did. You sort of do, but you didn't? Well, it's quiet nonetheless, people. Just remember that. All right, guys, this is Jonathan from Nomadic Cooling. This is a quick unboxing of the Dometic CFX3 25. If you want to go further in comfort with a refreshing beverage next to your side, give Nomadic Cooling a call and buy a Dometic refrigerator today.